In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add vidIQ to Chrome. vidIQ is a powerful YouTube analytics and SEO extension that helps you understand keywords, views, and overall channel performance right inside your browser. We'll walk through installing it on Google Chrome, getting it activated on YouTube, and making sure it's easy to access whenever you need it. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. vidIQ works on desktop browsers like Chrome, Edge, and Firefox, but we'll focus on Chrome today. The steps are the same on Windows, Mac OS, and Chrome OS. Next, head to the Chrome Web Store. You can search for Chrome Web Store or go directly if it's bookmarked. Once you're there, use the search bar to type vidIQ. Among the results, look specifically for vidIQ Vision for YouTube. This is the official extension that displays analytics and keyword insights while you browse YouTube. When you find it, click Add to Chrome. A confirmation pop-up will appear to make sure you want to install it. Click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it automatically in the background. If you ever see that the button says Remove from Chrome, that simply means it's already installed. After installation, activate it by signing in. Open YouTube in a new tab, then look for the vidIQ icon. Click it and sign in with either your Google account or your existing vidIQ account. This sign-in is essential. Without it, most features won't show up. Once you're signed in, vidIQ is live on YouTube and will start overlaying insights like keyword data, video stats, and channel metrics as you browse. To keep vidIQ handy, pin it to your Chrome toolbar. Click the puzzle piece icon at the top right of Chrome to open the extensions menu. Find vidIQ in the list and click the pin icon. The blue pin indicates it's now visible next to your address bar, so you can open it quickly from any page. A few important notes as you get started. vidIQ is designed for desktop browsers, so you won't see these tools on mobile. Make sure you stay logged into your account for the features to appear on YouTube. And while many tools are available for free, some advanced features require a free or paid vidIQ plan, depending on what you need. That's it. Chrome is set up, vidIQ is installed and activated, and your shortcut is pinned. Enjoy exploring your YouTube analytics right where you work.